exhibition that we were having is an annual exhibition which Delhi chapter of Ohara School holds every year, and every year we take new subjects to challenge the artists and enjoy the process of making Ikebana arrangements more. So this time it was Hana and Haiku. Hana in Japanese means flowers, and Haiku is a short Japanese poem which is very minimalistic. We use very few words and only 3 lines. So the reason we picked up this subject is that both are the parts of Japanese culture. Ikebana also is a Japanese art where you use very few flowers, very few twigs, and try to say something, express yourself. And haiku also, it's a very short poem of 3 lines with 17 syllables, 575, and without the use of any unnecessary word. The poet tries to express the innermost feelings or an image. And the most important thing in haiku is that it almost always has a seasonal feeling. It expresses a season and it presents an image. So these two things are similar to what we do in Ikebana. Ikebana also is very close to nature. And season is very, very important. Seasonal reference is important in Ikebana and in haiku, both. So because of these similarities, we picked up haiku this time, Hana and Haiku. And by doing that, what we could achieve was that we could limit the material used in Ikebana arrangements, because in haiku also, you don't use too many words. You just use what is necessary, absolutely necessary. In Ikebana also, we should try to do the same. Stuffing is not Ikebana. When you put many flowers, when you put many greens, it becomes more like Western flower arrangement, because there the color and form becomes more important. You are using the flowers to show the color. Here in Ikebana, we try to show the flower, to show the individual beauty of each flower and leaf. So it's very important that we hold ourselves. We don't use too many flowers or material. And this went on very well with the theme haiku and Hana and Haiku. We really enjoyed doing this work, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Completely naked, so it does not have any waiting for winter. So you can see the winter colors I have shown, and that's why this guava leaf, it's about a fall. Yes, that's good. So
now this arrangement, as you can see, I've used a driftwood that looks like a little bird, and I've used these feathers to symbolize the bird here with the feathers, and this is like a plume coming out from the tail of the bird, because my haiku is in the dark night, losing sight of its nest, the plover cries. Plover is a bird. So basically I'm just symbolizing this haiku, which depicts the deep agony of anybody who's lost his home. Okay. So this is my arrangement. but
Yeah.
it is like
Continuous.
so it is like a life cycle. Life cycle.
Where all things are in a life cycle,
Yes.
they are depicted.
They are depicted, yes. So that is how the whole arrangement was.
For how
thought
long
of.
you are connected?
Nearly 40 years.
40.
40 years.
Really, this hobby keeps us young,
Oh
right?
yes, young and
Energetic, and it's a way of stress buster also.
yes. Also, I feel when you are creating something,
Creativity is coming out of
it helps you and helps you. When you are depressed,
yeah.
you find the arrangement is never
Yeah.
what you want to expect, even with the best of luck. But if you are happy, you can arrange it nicely.
Is the arrangement that we have made and the significance of this particular.
So this die is called rimpa. It was like a Japanese painting, and it is like what the artist wants to show. So in this, I've used hydrangeas, green variety, and I thought purple color would look nice with it. So this is
This is a lattice.
Beatrice, yes. And then because hydrangea grows in cold places, so I've tried to use pine with it. These are the pine leaves. And in the rimpa, we have to show water. So that's why
Rimpa, what is the one quality or the significance in
it's a painting.
painting?
As you see nature,
Okay.
it depicts the Japanese painting. And as you see it in the flowers growing, that is what it is.
It's near to nature.
Yeah, as close to nature as
And this
possible.
is, I think, a rice flower.
That is flax flower.
Right? It is grown in Israel. It is in Israel. That's very famous. It is come from southern hemisphere.
This time we are doing Hana and Haiku.
That is the theme of this.
Theme of this. Hana is, as you know, flower. Haiku is Japanese way of, it's a poem. It's of 17 syllables. Okay? So, but in that is the first, when you see something, you get an impression. Then you write the poem immediately.
Okay.
But we have translated
That means it brings the poetry in one soul.
People are trained for haiku in Japan. Everybody, like we learn music or something.
Yeah.
Each one learns something. This Ikebana haiku is so important for them.
summer when it rains. So when you see a nest and little birds are resting, that look amazing. So I'm just trying to show these bird of paradise. It is depicting birds, and this is like a nest.